Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Apple Pay is not working properly. So guys, let's start without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open control set and then turn off Wi-Fi and then turn on aeroplane mode at least for the 60 seconds, then turn off your aeroplane mode and just simply turn on mobile data instead of Wi-Fi and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then you can check that you have updated your device to the latest version. Go to software update and just simply have to update your device if you have any pending update here. And after that guys, open the setting, then you have to scroll it down and also make sure that your date and time is also correct. Okay guys, now also make sure that you're not connected with VPN and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working for you guys, then what you need to do guys, just simply you have to tap on general, then you have to scroll it down, then tap on transfer reset. Tap on reset. From here you have to reset your network setting. So these are the network settings, so you have to do these settings first and then check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, open the settings. Now from here guys, you can locate for Apple Wallet. From here guys, make sure that you have added your card. If you have added, then you can see here are the information, and also make sure that your card is also fully activated, and after that check if it's working or not. If it's still not working, then you have to close this page. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to make sure that your iPhone battery percentage is above 40. Okay guys, if your iPhone battery percentage is less than 40, then maybe you are facing this problem. Okay guys, so after that guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to open the Safari browser and just simply you have to search for Apple system status. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on first link, and from here you have to make sure that Apple Pay is working properly, or you can also see here all services are operating normally. Okay guys, so if Apple Pay is not working properly, then you have to wait some hours, and after that automatically your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today's video. If that is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.